beautiful people, it's me again, Annalisa Nyambura, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome on board. If you're already a subby, right here, welcome back. So today we are doing, among the last of our videos for 2019, which is we are doing a Christmas look. Yeah, so this is the Christmas look. So watch the process and enjoy. See how I achieved this beautiful Christmas look. Yeah, and I hope you enjoy. So, and as always, we will begin with the eyebrow part. We'll begin with doing the eyebrows, and these are just the items that I'll be using. This spoolie, a legal pro concealer to clean my eyebrows, the brush that I'll be using to clean, and obviously an eye pencil that I'll be using to do my eyebrows. So let's begin. Next up, I'll just prime my eyes and set my eyes for the eyeshadow part, and I'll be using both concealers. And now on to the main agenda. We are creating, as I said, a Christmas look. So yeah, this is the palette we're going to be using to create our beautiful Christmas look. So yeah, and for this I'll be using red ink, then also turn up and beat. Red ink is just a red matte shadow, then turn up is a charcoal black matte shadow, and then beat is a shimmery green, olive green eyeshadow. So yeah, that's what we'll be using. So let's just begin. For the transition shade, I'll be using Odi. So that's it. Then I'll now go into the red, and I'm just placing it in, then I'll blend it later. I want the eye look to be really deep and intense, so that's why I'm just going back and forth. I'll use this clean brush to blend that in. On to the next step, I'll be using this Kiss Beauty eyeliner gel, or it's supposed to, yeah, this Kiss Beauty eyeliner gel. I'll be using the black shade to intensify or to prime my lids for the black eyeshadow. This is just to intensify the black shade. Yeah. So this is how it looks. I'm leaving the middle part so that I put the green shimmer shade at the middle. So that's it. So next up, I'll apply the black eyeshadow, which is this one, turn up, on the areas that I've applied the gel. Then I'm just going to go right in and put the shimmer shade at that middle part, and I'll just be using my fingers. So that is it. So next, again, I'm just going to blend the black and the red together. I'm just going to go over again with the red. Then again, just blend that out together. And lastly, just go over again with the transition shade on top of my red. Yep, and that's it for the eye look. Next, I think I'll just add a bit of a little bit of color, I think, or just highlight the inner corners of my eye, but that will be later. So for now, I'm just going to put on my lashes. And as my lashes dry up, I'm just going to apply my primer, which is the same one that I always use, this YSL primer. I'm going to apply my Always foundation, which is Illegal Pro Matte in the shade Cappuccino. Then blend my eyeshadow, my foundation using this beauty sponge, which is wet as always again. Then now I'll put on my lashes because I think they're dry enough. So now we are going to contour and highlight and contour, and I'll be using this concealer, this Illegal Pro Concealer, the same one that I normally use to clean my eyebrows. It's the same one that I'm going to use to highlight my face, the lower T area of my face, and I'll be setting it with this Beauty Creations Banana Setting Powder. I'm blending it with the same beauty sponge or beauty blender that I've been using to blend my eyeshadow. So that's it. Then I'll set my face using Beauty Creations banana setting powder. I'll sweep out the excess powder on my highlight area using this brush. Then I'll go ahead and apply eyeshadow under my eyes. So I'll do the red only. Then I'll apply this Davis eyeliner on my waterline. That's it. And then again apply mascara on my lower lashes. Then now on to contouring, and I'm using Ever Beauty compact powder, which is a powder that is a few shades, a couple of shades darker than my skin tone, and I'm contouring under my highlights. Then I'll contour my nose. And that's it. So the next step is just to set my whole face, and I'm using this Illegal Pro Face Matte Powder in the shade Toffee. So, and then the next step is just to highlight my face, and I'm using Becca in the shade Champagne Pop. Then now on to lipstick. So for lipstick today, I'm thinking we do a red because it's Christmas. And that's it. That's our 2019 Christmas look. Yeah, I think we featured enough colors for Christmas, including white. My top is white, so red, green, black, red. Yeah, so that's our Christmas look. So enough of pesos. Yeah, and I really wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy. I hope Santa visits you with the best of gifts. Yeah, and I hope all your wishes and your Christmas wishes and dreams and hopes and everything comes true. I hope you're happy. I wish you a very Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you try the looks. Yeah, you can try this one specifically for your Christmas look, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love it. I hope you like it. So see you on my next episode, which I don't know is when. So see you on my next episode, next tutorial. Stay tuned, keep subscribing, tell a friend to tell a friend, share widely, and comment down below. Just yeah, you can wish me a Merry Christmas too, as I wished you. So yeah, that's it guys. See you next time. Bye.